Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can clean your toilet bowl using Denture tablet. Okay, so I'm going to open up and put a few Denture cleanser or the tablets into the toilet bowl. Okay, so here it is. I'll put a few in. Now let that sink in the toilet bowl and let it dissolve. So wait for after 10 to 15 minutes. You can then scrub the bowl with a brush. Now for stubborn stains, you can leave the tablets in overnight. Now other uses of the Denture tablets. So the Denture tablets can also be used to clean porcelain and acrylic resin dentures, china, glass and ceramic bakeware, small appliances, interiors, jewelry, pipes, hydration bladders, and water bottles. So Denture tablets are quite useful in a number of things. So just let it soak in the toilet bowl for a while. After a while, we'll come back and we'll give it a scrub and it should be done. Okay, so I had this one in here for some time now. Now we can try to scrub it. Once it has been soaked for some time, it should be easy to soak. So if we just scrub it, it will come off quite easily. So give it a slow scrub around. Okay, so after the scrubbing, here's how good it looks.